This is Lynn Grinnell of American Sustainability with some tips on how to create and publish great YouTube videos using PowerPoint as part of our Green Writers series. PowerPoint has come a long way in the last few years. First, of course, you need to create some PowerPoint slides with your topic. We discussed that process in other videos, but once you have your slides, before you start recording, you might want to write your script, unless you feel very comfortable ad-libbing to your slides. You type your script in the notes section of your slide. If you don't see the notes on your screen, click on the View on the menu and Normal for your presentation view. Then you're ready to start recording. There are 3 steps. Click on Record, which you can see on the menu bar and the quick start at top right, and record your slideshow, 1 slide at a time. You should see a screen, something like this. If you don't, first be sure that you are on the teleprompter view as you are recording so that you can easily see your notes. The icon at the bottom is a new feature and allows you to select whether you're seeing the teleprompter view, the presenter view, or the slide view. As you can see, in the teleprompter view, your notes show up above each slide. There are about 6 lines at a time that show up when you're recording. More than that, and you have to scroll as you record. Click on the red button to record, and you will get a 3-second countdown. You can also have animations if you want. They show up as you're recording them as you've set them up, either on click or after previous. We're using animations here to lead the eye so you know what we are describing. You can also record your webcam if you like by clicking on the video camera up top. The silhouette at the bottom gives you a couple more options, and there are more on the Record tab under Cameo. If you want to tweak the appearance of your image on the screen, take a look through the options available. Go to Record and Cameo. And you'll see there are quite a few options. Your camera will then record your live image wherever you've placed your Cameo. There are a couple of other options at the top. You can mute your microphone. A new feature allows you to toggle auto scroll if your script is longer than can completely show on the teleprompter. A scroll bar shows up, and you can set the scroll speed so that the text showing doesn't outrun your reading speed. And you can X out or hit escape anytime to return to your slides. Notice after you've recorded, the red button is ghosted. You can redo your video on an individual slide or on all slides. This gives you great flexibility. You can also clear the recordings here on any slide or on all slides. Once you've completed recording all of your slides, step 3 is to click on Export and convert the presentation to an MP4 video. When you click on it, you'll get a screen like this. Save your PowerPoint where you can find it, and then upload it to OneDrive or Google Drive or your own YouTube channel. By the way, earlier versions of PowerPoint have a record function, but it may look a little different. Once you've exported your video, if you're working with us at American Sustainability, save your MP4 in the cloud and share with us. Make sure you share so that we can download and publish it to the American Sustainability YouTube channel and website. If you have your own YouTube channel, you'll want to post it there as well. Our next steps are to upload your video to YouTube. If you want to learn more about this step and other Green Writer tips, check out some of our other videos. Now it's your turn. Once you've finished your slides, Write your script if needed, record your slides, and when you're satisfied with your work, export the slides to an MP4 file. Upload the file to the cloud or directly to a YouTube channel.